Hey guys, this is Therese and welcome to my channel. So a little background. I got the 2017 WRX back in June and I decided that I wasn't going to mod anything on my vehicle. And about 1,000 to 2,000 miles in, I said, well, I can't stand this stock sound, so I ended up getting nameless exhaust that I'm actually selling here in a couple weeks, and I ended up putting on the Tomei. This channel is going to include some installs, some daily vlogging, you know, and miscellaneous stuff. I also have a 2015 Subaru Impreza that you might be seeing as well. That's pretty much it. Adventures of a race car is what I like to say, and that's what this channel is all about. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Leave me some suggestions, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, THE_WREX, and yeah, that's what I got. So I just want to show you guys, what Ollie has, because he's a Subaru dog, aren't you? Good boy. Eat! Go eat! Okay, whatever, don't eat then. Intake is in. Subimods, thank you for getting this to me literally the next day. You guys are awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Shield. I get it now. I'll be using these. You know, the usual hardware. All right. So this is what we got. Gotta go install it now. Stage 1 Big SF 93. Okay. Get in the car.
No.
It's very interesting sounding, and I don't know how to feel about it because it is very, very loud. I don't know how to explain it. It's super loud. Definitely don't need a blow-off valve, to be completely honest. Even just like subtle acceleration, you can hear it. This is my wife, Brittany. She's the one who drives the 2015 Subaru Impreza. Our setup's pretty ghetto as of right now. Yeah, we need to fix the lighting. So sorry this video is all over the place. We had an intro, an unboxing. We didn't have an install video. We actually live in an apartment. It was pretty crappy out to even think about recording. I'm gonna be trying to put out maybe like 2 videos a week, depending on how busy I get. We did get a new camera. We got the 70D. We're currently on the T3i, so video quality should get better, and hopefully we don't have to sit on the ground and record anymore, but that's what I got. Stay tuned for more. We gotta do like a cool ending.